Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. Today guys, I'll be showing you how to sync your Google Calendar with Asana. So guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this method works the same for you. It is fairly simple and very easy to do, so I'm sure this will work for you as well. So guys, the first thing you want to do is open up the program Asana. After doing that and opening your application, you'll be greeted by this main page here, which is the home page. So guys, if you look on the left side of the screen, you'll be able to see all of the options that you can enter, such as home, my tasks, inbox, and so on and so on. So go ahead guys and find the project of which you want to sync your calendar to with Google Calendar. So if you look up here, this is all the projects that we have. Let's say this is the project that we want to sync to our Google Calendar. So in this case, the project name is tutorials. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and look in the upper left corner and find the name of the tutorial, in this case tutorials, and in the project, and then find the arrow pointing downwards next to the name of the project. So go ahead and click on that arrow right here. This will open up a new array of options where you will be able to choose what you want to do with your project. So go ahead and put your mouse down and scroll down a bit and find this option called export/print. So finding this, put your mouse here and this will open up 4 new options to click. We'll want to click sync to calendar. So go ahead and click to do that. After doing that guys, you will see that this will open up this page. You will be greeted by where you will be able to see a link that you will be able to copy. So go ahead and click on this button right here next to the link and this will copy the link. So guys, next what we want to do is go ahead and open up your Google Calendar. So to sync your calendar into your Google Calendar, you will have to do the following. Go ahead down here in the lower bottom corner and find this plus sign in the next to other calendars. So go ahead and click on the plus sign and you will want to click on from URL. This option right here, which is the second last option, go ahead and click on that. This will open up this screen where you will be able to paste the link from Asana that you just copied. So go ahead and paste that. And after pasting this link, you will be able to just click add to calendar. And now guys, you see this will bring this Asana schedule to your Google Calendar. I do not currently have anything posted, but as you can see guys, this has just brought this to my calendar. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.